Hi everyone, welcome to another podcast of GIMS Chanakya Talk series. We have another guest today with us, none other than a student of GIMS, Miss Pershi Garg. Hi Pershi, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm totally fine and very good to be here and be a part of this podcast.
Great, great. We are looking ahead to have a lot of talks with you on your PGDM program life. So, Pershi, before we start, can you tell our viewers about yourself?
So, hello everyone. My name is Parshi Garg, and currently I'm pursuing my postgraduate diploma of in management from GIMS College. And here I am pursuing my PGDM in finance domain, and I'm very happy to be there to be the part of this podcast.
Great, great, great. So let's start by putting up the first question. So, Percy, you just told me in your introduction that you have done BCom honors, right?
Yes, sir.
So, why didn't you go for an MCom program or an MBA program?
So, sir, while deciding initially, I was looking for MBA. M.Com was not in my mind, but when I search about it more, तो हमें पता चला there's a diploma known as postgraduate diploma in management, and it is more practical exposure, giving more nurturing towards the behavioral skills and communication skills. So I decided to pursue PGDM, and from there I decided to go in GIMS, which I found it to be good according to my skill sets and all. So that's why I decided to go for PGDM rather than an MBA and MCOM program.
ओके। और जब आपको ये पीजीडीएम के बारे में पता चला, सो एट इनिशियल व्हाट डिड यू गेट टू नो कि पीजीडीएम होता क्या है?
So initially about PGDM, it is a concentrated diploma. So it has more practical learning about industrial exposure, where we get the guest lectures like we get in GIMS on each and every Saturday, where we have the Q&A questions and we can ask them easily what we have in our mind. And it also makes us interview ready, that we know how the intellectual of industry see ourselves and what they want in us, so which gives me a boost to go towards this program.
ओके। स्पर्शी, आपने जब ग्रेजुएशन में बीकॉम किया है और अब आप पीजीडीएम कर रहे हो, आपको करिकुलम में कितना फ़र्क होता है? ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ एन इंटेलेक्ट डिफरेंट
Yes.
बिटवीन करिकुलम, बट डू यू थिंक कुछ डिफरेंट है पीजीडीएम करिकुलम में?
Yes, sir, surely. काफ़ी डिफरेंस है इन दोनों में। व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट बीकॉम ऑनर्स, वो कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड होता था तुम्हारे एकेडमिक पार्ट पे, और ऑल्दो देयर वाज एट सम टाइम प्रेजेंटेशंस इन्वॉल्व बट नॉट दैट मच। बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दिस पीजीडीएम प्रोग्राम, ईच एंड एवरी सैटरडे वी हैव एन इवेंट.
ओके।
In our classes, we have L&D classes in our GIMS, so which makes us involved and take it take us out from the our comfort zone, और हमें वो स्टेज पे लेके आते हैं ताकि हमारा फियर बिल्कुल कम हो जाए. Like we have boot camps for ourselves. L&D organizes Voice of Tomorrow to take out our stage fear. This, and it also transforms us from an individual who's an introvert like me to come at the stage and to be vocal from being in a comfort stage to a stage where you can express yourself.
स्पर्शी, कैन यू शेड मोर लाइट ऑन दिस? कोई इंसिडेंट्स बता सकते हो ऐसा जहाँ इस तरह की एक्टिविटी ने आपको हेल्प करा आपकी कम्युनिकेशन बेटर करने के लिए?
Yes, in the slide battle competition within GMS, I participated there, and within the 15 to 20 minutes while traveling, I prepared the slide, and I presented it then and there without any preparation, and I was not that much confident that I would be there to get any rank. बट मैंने उसे इतने अच्छे से प्रेजेंट किया क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी अपनी क्लासेस में इतनी प्रेजेंटेशंस दे चुकी थी कि मैं इतनी यूज टू हो गई थी उसको देने के लिए, कि मैंने वो इतने अच्छे से डिलीवर किया कि इवन आफ्टर विद द 10 to 15 minutes preparation, I was able to be ranked as 3 in that competition. So it was very good for me to नो माई सेल्फ, और हमें अच्छा भी लगा कि हमने अच्छे से अच्छा अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया, कि मैं अपने आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट देख पा रही हूँ सबसे.
एंड आई थिंक वो इस वजह से था क्योंकि आप रिगरसली उस चीज़ की तैयारी क्लास में कर
हाँ,
रहे थे।
वो ऑलमोस्ट ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट में हम लोगों का होता रहता है, तो इस वजह से वो हम लोगों को डेवलप कर रहा था विद इन आवर सेल्फ.
आपको क्या लगता है स्पर्शी, एक पीजी स्टूडेंट के लाइफ में जो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा है, एक इंस्टीट्यूशन कितना बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है?
Yeah, so to choose a right institution, it plays a very crucial role. That before deciding a college, I was very much confused, searching a lot of colleges. Was expecting कि मुझे इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर मिले, कि मुझे क्या कहते हैं अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का मौका मिले और मुझे न्यू न्यू चीज़ें सीखने का मौका मिले, और चाहे वो इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेटेड हो रादर देन बुक्स, मुझे प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज अप्लाई करने का मौका मिले, इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट्स करने का मौका मिले। और जब मैं जेएमएस में आई तो मुझे वो इतना कंबाइन पैकेज मिला इन सब चीज़ों का, कि हमें इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोज़र भी मिल रहा है, इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट्स भी हमारे कराए जा रहे हैं, और ये सब चीज़ें हमें इतना अच्छे से सीखने के लिए मिली कि वो सारा कॉम्बिनेशन जब एक में मिला, हमारा करिकुलम इस टाइप से सेट है कि विच इंडस्ट्री डिमांड्स द ट्रेंड विच इज़ गोइंग ऑन विद इन द इंडस्ट्री, it's accordingly like we in current third trimester, security and portfolio management is one of the subject, and it's the demand of the industry, and we have that subject. So it's developed accordingly that the industry, the company is coming, and our students are ready to give what the company want.
आपने सब्जेक्ट्स की बात करी स्पर्शी, सो डू यू थिंक द सब्जेक्ट्स दैट यू आर स्टडिंग इन पीजीडीएम इज helping you build shaping your career and having a better understanding what would happen in corporate?
Yes, sir. If we are already with touch of the external environment, what is going on, and we are studying within there, and even also applying it practically, like making a portfolio, like we have given an activity to manage a 10 lakh rupees portfolio within
Okay.
within our curriculum. It is given to us as a project, and we are going to initiate it. So obviously these subjects will make us company ready, and we will able to easily adopt in the environment of the corporate.
Great, great, great. So, Sparshi, you repeatedly talked about industry exposure, right? So, what do you exactly mean by that industry exposure? Can you tell our viewers what industry exposure you have got till now in your PGDM program?
So like इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट्स विजिट्स विद इन आवर कैंपस, तो हमें लाइक हमारे यहाँ प्रबोधन टॉक सीरीज ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं, चाणक्य टॉक सीरीज ऑर्गेनाइज होती हैं, तो वेरियस इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट्स कम, लाइक इन फाइनेंस डोमेन वी हैव CFOs, and in HR CHROs, they come there, and we ask our questions, whatever query we have, and a certain trending topic is decided for that talk series, and they deliver their lecture over that trending topic. And even apart from that topic, if any student have any query related to the market, they give the answers. And like we have the specialization वीक डिसाइडिंग वीक, तो उसमें क्या हुआ था, हर एक बच्चे के लिए एक एक मॉक इंटरव्यू सेट किया गया था, जिसमें इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट्स आए थे फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट डोमेन्स, और हर एक डोमेन्स के बच्चों का उन्होंने इंटरव्यू लिया था, सो दे वर एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट वी आर good for that domain or not. So they were able to know through the industry experts that they are good for that domain or not. They are getting the feedback directly from the industrial experts. That's what I mean by industrial exposure.
Great. Sparshi, you were one of the toppers in your batch till now, right? How do you do your preparation in terms of curriculum when there is a fast-paced course like PGDM? How do you manage your studies?
So, if you're focused within the class and teachers are very good, the faculty mentors are very good, that they help us you at each and every point of time. So you can resolve your query within the class. एंड अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप उनसे बाद में भी बात कर सकते हो। अपार्ट फ्रॉम देम, वो जो प्रैक्टिकली हमें फील्ड वर्क्स दिए जाते हैं, हमें रिसर्च पेपर्स तैयार करने के लिए दिए जाते हैं, तो हम उन चीज़ों को इतना प्रैक्टिकली एनालाइज कर लेते हैं, सो दैट वी हैव टू राइट इट इन अवर आंसर शीट, सो वी कैन राइट इट easily if you have good command on your communication skill, which are nurtured through our L&D department. So हम उसे इतना easily grab कर लेते हैं कि जब हमें आंसर्स को उन्हें फ्रेम करना होता है अपने आंसर शीट्स में, so we can easily frame it, and we can easily cope up with our studies and through the practical exposure of the things.
And do you think the evaluation method is also same as graduation? मतलब जिस तरह के एग्जाम्स आप ग्रेजुएशन में देते थे, क्या वो उसी तरह के एग्जाम्स आप पीजी लेवल पे भी आप दे रहे हो पीजीडीएम में?
No, sir, there is a difference as we have the dedicated mass for internal assessments, which are totally dependent on your practical knowledge, depending on your field works, depending on your research, how you meet the like we have the field works related to you have to interview an HR and know about their recruitment and selection process and what you get to know about this. And so this is whole practical thing, like we have given to write a report by floating a Google form within to the various HRs of the organization, various different domain individuals of the organization, and get their data and analyze that data and get to know what type of framing we are analyzing from them, और उनसे हमें क्या क्या पता चल रहा है उन सबको एक रिपोर्ट में लिखना है। इस सब के बेसिस पे हमें मार्क्स दिए जाते हैं। इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट बुकिश नॉलेज, सिर्फ उस पे मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे।
करेक्ट, ग्रेट, ग्रेट। सो स्पर्शी, आप बीकॉम करके आए पीजीडीएम में, बट आई थिंक आपकी क्लास में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी होंगे जो नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं।
यस।
Do you think PGDM is difficult for them and to cope up with the PGDM?
So it depends the type of background you are getting from the institution. Like there, many of the students were from zoology, many are from physics background. But when they come from first day of the induction program, they get that base of the what they need there in management. And after that, when the first and second trimester classes were going on, it was particularly related to the इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स कि आपको हर सब्जेक्ट की एक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अकाउंट्स किसी भी फर्म के लिए या किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए वो बेसिक हैं, वो आपको आने चाहिए, तो वो आपको सिखाई जाएंगी क्लास में अच्छे से। बट व्हेन यू मूव टू दी थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर, देयर यू हैव टू चूज योर डोमेन्स। इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, you are thinking that you are not enough good in finance, you have not bent of commerce background, so you can move to HR, marketing, you can move to SEM, even you can move to entrepreneurship program. So there are wide range of domains in that you can excel your career.
So you are basically saying it doesn't matter if you are from commerce background or non-commerce background. Once you enter into the PGDM program, the base is set by the institution only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Sparshi, this program is a trimester-based program where you have 3 months that you're studying certain set of subjects, then you have to give exams, then you have 3 months you study. Uh, is it challenging in terms of time management?
So in starting, you will feel like you are packed. But when you go and understand that 9 to 5 accommodation in the college is giving you a corporate ready environment. लाइक इन अ इंस्टीट्यूशन हमारा 9 टू 5 तक क्लासेस चलती हैं। दिस मेक्स अस कॉर्पोरेट रेडी, क्योंकि हमें और अल्टीमेटली जाके कॉर्पोरेट में काम करना है, एंड देयर वी हैव टू डू द 9 टू 5 जॉब।
Correct.
And that 9 to 5 job does not mean that it is just 9 to 5 job. You have to work after 5 also.
Okay.
And same goes there, that you have to prepare for your studies and do along your studies, your practical work, your other projects. You have to do them simultaneously. And if you think that it is a rose of bed, that it is not possible, you have to rigor yourself and come out of the comfort zone and try to push yourself to do something better in the life.
Okay, great. And Sparshi, beyond curriculum, beyond classes, how's the life in a PGDM program?
So, sir, it is a very good experience for me as first of all, I am very much introvert personality. So, I was थिंकिंग कि मैं लोगों से कैसे इंटरैक्ट करूँगी, मुझे परेशानी होगी इंटरैक्ट करने में। इनिशियल डेज़ में था, पर जब जैसे-जैसे विदिन फर्स्ट वीक जब हमारा एचआर क्लब ने एक्टिविटी कराई और हमें फर्स्ट वीक में केस स्टडी पे रोल प्ले करने के लिए मिला।
अच्छा, ओके।
तो हमें वहीं पे खुलने का मौका मिल गया कि हमें वहीं पे अपना स्टेज फ़ियर कम करने कर सकते हैं। वहीं से एल&डी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो गई, तो इतना इंटरैक्शन करने का मौका मिल गया कि हम खुश थे अपने लाइफ में कि पीजीडीएम में लेना हमने बहुत अच्छा डिसीज़न लिया है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, फ्रेंड्स, पीयर्स बहुत अच्छे मिल जाते हैं। आप टीचर से बहुत अच्छे से बात कर पाते हो। ऑल्दो यू आर अवे फ्रॉम योर हाउस, बट यू गेट टू नो द डिफरेंट एरिया। When you meet different peers, you get to know about their cultures, that they are from different background, they have the different family background. Get to know about their point of views, that what they have done in their life, what you can learn from them, and what you can tell them about their and what type of help or mutual benefits you can get from each other. So these are my PGDM.
Right. You talked about, you know, staying away from home. Is it difficult to stay away from home and then do a PGDM program?
So a little bit for the students, as I am not staying away from my home.
Okay.
I'm living in my home, had to travel 45 kilometers daily.
Okay.
But the students, when I talk to them, they were like कि घर से दूर रहना पड़ता है, घर की याद तो आती है, पर यहाँ पे भी जो फ्रेंड्स बन गए हैं तो हम खुश हैं। और यहाँ पे एक अलग एनवायरनमेंट है, बहुत हैपनिंग एनवायरनमेंट है, और जब सबसे मिलते हैं, ग्रुप्स में बैठते हैं, अलग-अलग डिस्कशंस निकल के आते हैं। शायद वो अगर हम घर पे होते और विद इन कैंपस रह के या हॉस्टल्स में रह के नहीं रहते अमंग द सेम कम्युनिटी, तो शायद वो प्रोडक्टिव डिस्कशन नहीं निकल के आ पाता। You get to know each and every day a new thing. So वो एक घर से दूर रहने का बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, फैकल्टी मेंटरशिप भी हम लोगों को प्रोवाइड की जाती है, जिसकी वजह से बच्चों को अगर कोई भी इशू आता है, इवन काफ़ी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स का केस हुआ है कि एक्सीडेंट हो गया, कोई मेडिकल इमरजेंसी है, तो उस टाइम पे उनके मेंटर्स खड़े रहते हैं उनके लिए, टू गाइड देम, टू हेल्प देम, ताकि उन्हें होम वाली फीलिंग आए। मतलब वो घर से दूर हैं, पर एटलीस्ट इतना कंफर्ट हो कि यहाँ पे उनके लिए कोई है। तो दैट फैकल्टी मेंटरशिप हेल्प्स देम अ लॉट, सो दैट ओवरऑल एनवायरनमेंट हेल्प्स देम टू कोप अप विद कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर हैं, बट वो यहाँ पे फिर भी कंफर्टेबली रह सकते हैं।
So, Sparshi, how was your journey till now in PGDM at GIMS?
So my journey in postgraduate diploma of management here at GMS is very good. At starting, I was little bit nervous at my first day that how my peers will be, and जब मैं सबसे मिली यहाँ पे, जैसे जैसे interactions बढ़े with the faculties, with the students, everything is going smoothly. And if I talk about my academics, it is also going well. If I got talk about my personal life with other students, it is also going well. I'm able to connect with the individuals, and even we are doing the teamwork, trying to solve each and other problems, and it feels like a family to us. So that here we are, and each and everyone is standing for one another, and here we are helping each and everyone, and trying to understand, trying to gather information that one possesses. And so overall environment and overall journey till now is very smooth, and I'm looking forward for my another trimesters to be great.
Great, great, great. Sparshi, at last, I just want you to, you know, tell our viewers, especially those students who are looking to pursue a PGDM program, how should they prepare themselves and what should they expect?
So if I talk about PGDM program, you have to be prepared from your mind and body, that you have to perform within the class and out of the class also. That you can't be lenient and unsincere towards anything, whether, because it is a very fast paced program, it is a 3 trimester program, so you have to gradually move from one trimester to another trimester within 3 months. So you have to be very much proactive and be adaptable towards the changing environment, and be conscious that everything is going smoothly. You are mapping each and everything, whether while maintaining a to-do list or maintaining your plan. It's totally depending on you, but you have to take a right decision about your career, which domain you are choosing. You have to be totally clear about it, and what type of institution you are choosing. You have to be very careful that it is providing you blend of each and everything what you are expecting. If you are making any compromise in it, you are doing very bad to your career. You have to be focused and very competitive in choosing your institution.
Thank you, Sparshi. I think that is a great insight into a PGDM student's life. You have put up beautifully for everybody who is trying to, decide whether they should do PGDM or not. And I wish you the very best, especially your internships are now coming up.
I know.
I am sure you will do good. Thank you very much.